Alright, it's been a while since we did our last home tour. Today I'm in Pasir Ris, alright, showing you a 2-bedroom apartment in this condo. Where am I exactly? Hold on. Now that's the sea, and beyond the sea would be the horizon. Put it together and we have Sea Horizon. That's the name of this condo, Sea Horizon. Okay, we're showing you a 2-bedder. It's very rare because Sea Horizon is dominated by 3, 4 and 5-bedroom apartments. Only 2 stacks are reserved for a 2-bedder unit. Okay, and today this project is less than 5 years old. Yet, we are ready to market this baby out to find its next owner, who could just be you. Alright, let's not waste any more time. Let's go straight into the unit and get on with the home tour. Let's go! Right, so every floor has 4 units only. That gives you an extra sense of privacy and also means that every single unit is a corner unit. There's extra space for you. And you'll also notice that we are not facing directly into another apartment right in front of you. And these are small things that you'll only notice after you move in, but today you don't even have to worry about it. Come, let's go in. Alright, so you'll see that there's no wasted space in this entire apartment. Even the entrance, the moment you enter the house, you are greeted by an enclosed kitchen. Why I say it's enclosed, emphasize on it, is the fact that in today's market, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom apartments being sold by developers come with just an open concept kitchen. Here you have full glass enclosement. That means that whoever's cooking here, you get a view of the living room, but whoever's in the living room is not disturbed by your cooking as much. And I can just imagine that aspiring landlords who want to rent out this apartment in future, okay, they can rent it out easily to working professionals who are in the east, based in the east. Changi Business Park, Jewel, Changi Airport, that's connecting Singapore to the rest of the world. We are very, very close to this landmark. So it's very easy to find tenants in Pasir Ris actually. Right now, in the market, we have 2-bedroom starting from 600 square feet, 500 square feet even for some developments. Okay, now let's take a seat here. This unit comes with 775 square feet. Alright, that's a big bonus in terms of square footage that you're getting. What you're getting it would be with a 2-bedroom apartment and also 2 bathrooms. Now, I'm not trying to be so obvious with the 2 bathrooms, but just the fact that brand new projects today, they are launching 2 bedrooms with just 1 bathroom. Now, wouldn't you think that a second bathroom is essential? In fact, normal, right? And that's what we are giving you here. In Sea Horizon, you get 2 full bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms for you, for your guests, for whoever's staying in the second bedroom. So, let's check out the master room. Now, both rooms come with an attached wardrobe here. And what you see would be a king bed right now in the apartment. If you change it to a queen bed, what it gives you would be extra floor space here. Now, for this particular stack, for this layout, select floors will come with a second attached balcony in the master room. Now that means there's 2 bedrooms, 2 balconies. Perfect. Right, one thing I love about condos would be just how luxurious the bathrooms usually are. Just check out the finish, the wall, the tiles on everywhere. Alright, it is comparable or even better than most 5-star hotels. Alright, the size of the bathroom is bigger. It's more than what you would expect of a 775 square feet apartment, but it's given, it's something you can enjoy every day. Bathrooms done right is very underrated actually for most apartments. Alright, let's go on to the rest of the house. Let's go. Alright, as I mentioned earlier, there's 0 wasted space in this apartment. The moment you exit the bedroom corridors, you would end up with this dining space. Alright, currently it's their children's play area, but easily you can fit in a 4-seater, a 6-seater for whenever your friends, your family coming over for Christmas, Hari Raya, Chinese New Year. Doesn't matter what festivities, in fact, they can come down for barbecue. Right? In fact, we are in Pasir Ris, we're just 5 minutes away from the beach. Of course, barbecue will be on your mind. And the moment you post the facilities of this condo on your Instagram, I tell you, people will want to come and visit. Alright, it's amazing. The facilities are great. Alright, Sea Horizon has the biggest land size of this Pasir Ris cluster of condominiums, right? In fact, right in front of Sea Horizon will be a row of low-rise boutique developments. They cannot compare with the size, the hugeness of what Sea Horizon is. It is as big, maybe just as big as 5 football fields. Have you tried running across 1 football field? Okay, now imagine running across 5. That's just how big it is. And the facilities doesn't end here. We've got multiple swimming pools on different levels. At the Sky Terrace where we first started, you can see an unblocked views of the sea. Sky Terrace is also where you can find the lounge and also the gymnasium. The apartment that we are selling will be going for 750,000 onwards, or that's around 1,000 PSF, just somewhere around 1,000 PSF. Now, that sounds very undervalued. In fact, for me to actually say 750,000 for a 2-bedroom, almost brand new, it is a steal of a deal. Alright, so if you're interested to view this apartment, call in to our sales team, arrange for a viewing, and we will be viewing the apartment with you. See you!